Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get this apple tree out because the space that this takes up, I could get another couple of the raised beds in this size here. I've got 3 that are ready to be built, so I think where the apple tree is we can probably get 1, 2, and then we've got a space over there where I cleared an old compost heap where the third one's going to go. So let's make a start on this apple tree. So as you can see, that's the bulk of it. So the next one will be when I finish it off, and then I've put down a couple of raised beds. I might even get the 3 along there. So let's have a look and see how everything's doing. So we've got the leeks in there. The leaf cage is looking a bit sorry for itself. The 2 ponds, I've left them uncovered this year because I want to try and attract frogs without having to go and get frog spawn. So hopefully that'll be okay. It's filling up with leaves, but we'll clean that out in the once the better weather comes. Then in here we've got a mixture of autumn champion spring onions with some garlic. The rhubarb, it's a bit of new growth, so that's Champagne's a variety. That'll be ready to pick this year. This oregano, which I thought hadn't taken, that's going to be good for next year as well. It's a bit of a mess at the moment, so but it is only December and it will be all ready for the season starting. It's going to be the new strawberry bed, so it'll be quite easy to protect for the birds. A bit of net now over there. Still got some of these seed pods to collect off the runner beans. That's the remains of the sweet corn. That'll get composted. That's all autumn champions, spring onion, overwinter onions. So they seem to be taking okay. And then on this one, we've got the solent white garlic. It was saved for last year's crop. That's where we are with the apple tree so far. So like I said before, I've got another 3 of these raised beds ready to be built. So I think I'll probably get 1, 2, and then when that cowl frame moves, I could get 3 in there. Or if I put 2 in there, I might put 1 over the back. That's where I removed an old compost heap. I think that's about it for this one. No lot more to show you really. The overwinter clean-up carries on. So I don't suppose I'll go in before it, so wishing everybody a Merry Christmas.